Age is just a number, and 70 is the new 50.
It's Therapy Thursday. We are answering your questions with the help of our friend, Dr. Brenda Joy from the University of Oklahoma. Brenda, I'm so excited to see you this afternoon. Happy to have you on as always.
Thank you. It's good to be with you, Ashley.
Yes, let's get to it. Our first question this afternoon from Doug. He says, I love the show and your advice. My partner of 26 years passed away. Everywhere I look, I see him and his things. I'm in my early 70s, and the idea of moving forward is overwhelming. What advice do you have for someone starting over, especially so late in life?
Well, Ashley, we want to certainly submit our sincere condolences to Doug. It is a very difficult thing to lose someone whom you love for so long. So I certainly understand the overwhelmingness of it. So I do want to tell Doug, however, age is just a number, and 70 is the new 50.
Yes.
So I am excited that Doug is even thinking about starting over. That's a good thing. And he has a competitive edge, Ashley, because he has experience on his side. And so the first step I would suggest in starting over is volunteering, because volunteering is an activity that gets us to care about the things of others and see how we can help. And I would suggest an organization called RSVP. I was a board member of that organization. RSVP stands for Retired Senior Volunteer Program, and they probably have names and numbers of individuals who could use a friendly call or could use a listening ear because they are alone. They don't have family members here, and that could be a good start. Here's the heart of the matter. We are sad when our loved ones leave us. But as long as we are here, we still have work to do. We have to walk in our purpose and continue to make contributions. And Doug, we are here for you.
Yes, we are. I love that, Brenda. Thank you. Our next question from Laura. Brenda, do you feel like it's okay to ask your significant other for their social media passwords? My fiance doesn't want me to have access to his phone. I can't tell if he's cheating or just protecting his privacy. This is a juicy one, Brenda.
It is. Oh, wow. Ashley, Laura will have to be open to sharing her social media passwords as well if she's going to ask him to do so. However, I think there's a deeper issue here. I hear a sense of mistrust, that maybe there's something that's causing her to think that he is not being honest and that he is not being forthright. And this is a wonderful opportunity as for premarital counseling, since that's her fiance. Why not begin a conversation that can be healthy and help them have a good foundation for a great relationship. So yes, I would certainly think about talking to him, maybe bringing in a counselor to see how can she think about the phone issue or the social media issue, as well as this sense of underlying mistrust.
All right, certainly a topic that I think a lot of couples can relate to. Brenda, thank you so much for your time. It went fast as always. And hey, if you have a question that you would like for us to consider for next week, send us an email to therapythursday@griffin.news.